how to rearrange photos in album on iPhone. So all you have to do is to of course go to your photos here. Now on the bottom part, you'll see four different options there. You will see library for you, albums, and search. Tap on albums there, and as you can see, you are here on your albums. And then you will see all. Tap on that, and you will see of course all your albums there. Now the next thing that you want to do is to on the upper right you will see edit there. Tap on that, and what you want to do is to just long press the album that you want to move, and then you can now move them wherever you want. So let's say here it will look like this. Now tap, what you want to do is if you're done rearranging it, or to rearrange your photos in your album, then on the upper right you will see done. Tap on done, and as you can see, we have successfully rearranged our photos in album on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.